Hello everyone, in today's video we will explore common daily activities that people engage in. I wake up in the morning. I get up from my bed. I brush my teeth every day. I take a shower to feel fresh. I get dressed for work or school. I have breakfast before starting my day. I go to work by bus or car. I attend meetings during my workday. I check my emails regularly. I make phone calls to clients or friends. I have lunch around noon. I work on projects at my desk. I go for a walk during my break. I take a break to relax. I finish work in the evening. I go home after a long day. I have dinner with my family. I watch TV to unwind. I read a book before sleeping. I go to bed at a reasonable hour. I plan my day the night before. I drink water throughout the day. I help my children with their homework. I do laundry on weekends. I clean the house regularly. I prepare meals for my family. I listen to music while working. I socialize with friends on weekends. I exercise to stay healthy. I reflect on my day before sleeping. I go to sleep after a long day. Thank you for watching this video. Support us with a like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.